Hey guys, Ryan Wilkerson, Director of Growth with the Dave Friedman team here at Keller Williams. Let me ask you something. What if you had a system that was so dialed in that you could sell 9 homes in 90 days? And you could do it without cold calling or door knocking or sitting in open houses or going to cold networking events or guessing your way through a listing appointment. Today, I'm sharing the 8-step listing process that we teach inside of our Sell 9 Homes in 90 Days. The same one that helps our agent partners sell more homes, meet with more sellers, and walk away with signed agreements on the spot. So let's dive in, right? Step number 1, you have to use an effective script. You have to have a script and a sales process that you follow in order to track and measure your results. And that script really needs to cover 4 key parts. Number 1 would be motivation. Why are they moving? When are they moving? When do they need to be where they're looking to go? You have to have a marketing plan. What are you going to do that other agents won't, or don't, or can't? You need to have a pricing conversation. You need to strategically be able to walk them through key data points to help them arrive at a price where the home is going to be positioned to actually sell and entice buyers to come through the front door. And you need to be able to close, right? You need to have a script to be able to confidently ask for their signature on the dotted line, giving you that exclusivity of that listing. The Sell 9 Homes in 90 Days agent partners on our team, they don't just wing it, they internalize this script until it's second nature. It becomes a repeatable, duplicatable process that they execute on every single listing presentation. So step number 2, you have to pre-qualify every appointment before you walk in the door. Before you get in the car and drive, ask, what's motivating you to sell? Are you open to market value pricing? And when do you need to close by? The more clarity you get up front, the easier it is to close. Our top agent partners never walk into a listing presentation. And that's a big reason that they consistently hit their goal of selling 9 homes in 90 days. Step 3, you have to prepare a concise market analysis. You have to think like an appraiser. Just use 3 comps. Use a home that's better than the subject property, use a home that is similar, and use one that's overpriced and sitting a little bit flat. Then explain your logic in very plain language. Over-explaining or getting too much into the data and using industry jargon, that's what kills deals. Simplicity is what closes deals. Step 4, you have to assume the sale. This is all about mindset, right? Before you knock on that door, when you drive in, tell yourself repeatedly, I am walking out of this appointment with a signed listing agreement. Build your mindset to a point that you know it is a foregone conclusion before the questions even leave your mouth. That is the thing that sets top closers apart. We've helped at DFT everything from brand new first-year licensees to seasoned veterans, and everyone in between hit their goal of selling 9 homes in 90 days. And we do it consistently every single month, every single quarter, every single year, because the system is what does all of the heavy lifting. Step number 5, you have to project confidence. Even if you're new, you have to act like you belong, right? Dress a level above your client. Know your stats. Hold eye contact. Confidence is contagious, and it calms sellers' fears or reservations they may have about signing a listing agreement with you. Step 6, you have to show that energy, right? You have to be a chief energy officer when you're in your appointments. You need to lean in, and you need to smile. You need to be excitable. Get excited about their home. If you don't bring the energy, you won't feel confident, but more importantly, the seller's not going to feel confident in your ability to deliver. Passion is what sells. Step 7, you have to present your unique marketing plan. Everyone offers the MLS and signs in the yard, right? Everyone. What are you going to do that's different? Those things no longer cut it when it comes to helping properties actually sell. So what sets our Sell 9 Home in 90 Day program agents apart from everyone else? It's very simple. We show sellers how we talk to 40 to 50 people every single day. Expires, for sale by owners, sphere of influence. We are actively hunting buyers for their home, and we don't wait. We don't plan to sign in the yard and sit back and wait for business to come to us. Our agents go out and get it. And this is how our partner agents consistently sell 9 homes in 90 days. It's really no more complicated than that. Step 8, last and final step, you have to confidently ask for that signature. Look them in the eye and say with confidence, after everything we've reviewed here today, are you confident in moving forward and signing with me as your listing agent? And if they hesitate, don't panic. That's normal. Address the objection, then ask them again. Remember, 80% of yeses come after the 5th time you ask for something. So when you follow this process week after week, you're not just getting listings, you're building real momentum in your business. That's how even new agent partners on our team are closing deals and closing it fast. Because this process that we offer here works really well, and it will work for anyone who's willing to put in the work and work the system the right way. That's it, guys. It's 8 simple steps to help you win. Win the listings, build momentum, get to where you want your real estate career to be. It's the same process that we use in our Sell 9 Homes in 90 Days program. Our agents dominate their markets. Zero fluff, maximum results. That's what you can expect. But right now we are only opening 7. That's it. 7 agent roster spots for new sales partners to join our team. We are also looking for 2 listing agent spots to be filled as well. Once those are filled, we're closing the doors, right? Because we don't believe in overloading the system. We want every agent partner to get the lead volume and the quality that they are looking for to get financial consistency in their business and help them hit their income goals. So if you want to plug into this system and start getting unlimited, ready-to-go seller appointments, without cold calling, without open houses, or begging your sphere of influence to make a move, please give us a call, 843-800-2465, or visit us at davefriedmancoaching.com. Grab your spot. They do fill up fast. Okay, we don't do this year round. We open it when we have a team meeting. When we do, those spots get gone really quickly. If you're ready to turn listings into closings and sell 9 homes in 90 days, we have the roadmap, we have the system. You just have to take the first step. You'll get to focus on what matters, right? More income, more time, more control over your business. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's go win together. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.